This is the Range Rover you did not know existed. So Brabus is very synonymous with a lot of Mercedes, like the G-Wagon, the S-Class. We do a lot of those and have done over the years. They've now, though, started doing Porsche and Land Rover. So this is actually the first one we've ever done. We've supplied a few globally, but this is the first one we've got our hands on in the UK, and it's actually going to be for sale very soon. So it is a brand new Autobiography Range Rover. As you can see, it's actually a soft kit, so it's not too aggressive. This actually doesn't come with the exhaust system as well, so it's purely aesthetics, and I'll show you what we've done. So you've obviously got the big Brabus badge here, kind of nice gloss carbon finish and the white kind of etching around the edges just to kind of outline it. And here you've got the gloss carbon front bumper, which kind of goes around to the side. Really nice finish. Like I said, it's a soft kit, so it's not meant to be too kind of different to the original. It's a slightly more aggressive. Obviously with the badging, you can tell what's going on. And then you come around the side and you can see how it joins here and then goes all the way around the arch. Really nice. It's a high gloss carbon, similar to kind of what a lot of the big manufacturers will be producing, the style, kind of the way the weave goes. And then the wheels, which are, I mean, you don't want to drive these down a country road, I don't think, which is a bit silly because it's the sort of car you will be taking there. So you have got 24-inch wheels. These are Monoblock ZVs. These are, as I said, 24-inch, and you've got spaces inside to obviously push them out. They're stunning. Yeah, you actually get these on the G-Wagon as well and some of the other Brabus models. Coming around to the back, you've still got the same thing, like the front, the kind of carbon around the arches. Like I said, really nice. We were saying there's maybe a few more things they could have added. For example, this, we feel like that could have gone in carbon as well, but it's not actually something they offer, apart from some of the full kits with the V8. And then come around the back, we've got a nice little spoiler, similar to everything else, not too aggressive, just a nice kind of like edging of that kind of final line. Obviously the Brabus logo there as well. And then same as the front, the nice big Brabus badge. And my favorite part of this actually has to be the exhaust tips. I mean, you've got high grade stainless steel inside, and then you've got the kind of double layer matte carbon finish, obviously Brabus etched on the sides and the Brabus on the white on the top. And then also in the middle, you have the kind of gloss carbon as well. So it's really nice, to be honest. The weaves of the matte and the gloss are actually the same. Obviously they're just different finishes. And if we come around here, the other thing we've done is with the interior, nothing too much with the leather or anything like that. None of that's been touched, but you've got nice entrance panels with the LED, which actually illuminates as you get in and out of the car. And then obviously you've got the floor mats as well. Same in the back seats as well, and on the back seals as well, which is really nice.
So there you have it. That is Brabus's soft kit for the Range Rover Vogue. What's really nice is you can spec what you want on the car. So there are more interior options you can add as well as exterior. And also you can do a 600 power kit with exhaust system. For more Brabus content like this, be sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.